Here, let's see if we can get Alex up. See what he's doing.
Don't wake him.
No, I'm not. See, he's asleep. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and he's asleep. So we're going to have to change the clock again for him. Okay, here we go. Okay. There's the old grandfather clock. It's right there. It's a couple of minutes to 2. I don't know if it's going to strike or not. Let's go down here. Oh, neat. The key's in the door. Grandma must have put it there for me. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, let's turn on. Turn on one of these guys here. I don't know which one that was. That's Westminster. That's good enough. And I'll turn the striker on now. Oh, did you hear that? Oh, we got the pendulum swinging. And all the weights are there. And it's almost 2 o'clock. Actually, it's 2:06. I was kind of trying a little slow. That's because I pushed it back. I pushed it back so it would maybe see if I could get it to chime 2 to 2. Because then it's going to chime 3. After we set it. And the moon's almost gone. So let's see what we got here. Got another minute. Maybe I'll force it. I guess not. Oh, got some chimes there. Okay, it's spring forward, so we got to put it an hour ahead. And it looks like it's about 3:07 right now, according to the clock in the kitchen. Okay, so we'll hit this with a 3:07. Daylight savings time, and we'll make it 07. 3:07. Okay, now we want to turn the chimes off because I don't like them on, and I don't like the striker on either. Okay, so now we set the clock, spring ahead like we're supposed to. Okay, and now we're going to lock the door.